Give London a Lift is a great way for us as a company to give back to community projects and local charities. Here at our new Clapham Junction store, we are delighted to be supporting Bandstand Beds. Bandstand Beds is a great local project that comes together to grow fresh produce.
Bandstand Beds Association started in 2013 with some small raised beds at the bandstand, which is why it got its name. And myself and somebody else kind of led with the initiative to encourage people to become involved in food growing. Everything that's here has come through fundraising. So organisations like yourself who actually support us keep the garden growing, basically.
The community that's grown from this has been fantastic. You know, there's some really lovely people we've met, and it becomes a place where we actually all come and meet, and we've made some really good friendships from the garden. So it's not just gardening itself, it's sort of become more than that.
I actually went into a Leyland store with my dad. I looked online, researched about the company, and I found that they were doing the Give London a Lift initiative. So I applied for it. I was shocked when I got the email back saying I'd won the £1,000 voucher.
We've been going on for a long time about having some really good power tools, which this money will actually be able to secure for us. So we're pleased about that. Tom's put together a list of stuff that we can get. Secateurs are on there. There's real essential things that we need that we're going to be able to buy with this money, which is fantastic for us.
Thank you to Leyland SDM for organising the Give London a Lift initiative. It's been great for our garden, but also it's good because a lot of other community organisations like Bandstand Beds will benefit too.
For your chance to win a share of the £10,000, visit leylandsdm.co.uk/Give London a Lift.